Why is mulch used in garden beds? The answer is keep water. How do you stop blossom end rot? Answer, add calcium. What is the NPK ratio for leaves? And the answer is high nitrogen. When should you water most plants? The answer is early morning. Where do you prune fruit trees? Answer, above buds! How do you kill powdery mildew? And the answer is baking soda. What is a hybrid plant seed? The correct choice is crossbreed. Why is crop rotation useful? Answer, prevents pests. When do you divide hostas? The answer is early spring. How do you harden off plants? Answer, gradual sun. What is the purpose of thinning? The correct choice is space to grow. Why use compost in sandy soil? The answer is hold water. Where do you plant shade lovers? Here is the answer, north side. How do you identify scale bugs? Time's up, it's bumpy shells. What is the use of a dibber? And the answer is poking holes. When should you harvest basil? Answer, before flower. Why do tomatoes need stakes? Time's up, it's support weight. How do you stop slugs naturally? The answer is beer traps. What defines a perennial? Here is the answer. Lives 3+ years. Where should you store seeds? Did you guess it? The answer is cool, dry spot. Why is pine needle mulch acidic? Answer, low pH level. When do you plant garlic cloves? And the answer is late autumn. How do you fix root-bound pots? And the answer is loosen roots. What is a cold hardy vegetable? The correct choice is kale. Why use peat-free compost? The answer is environment. When do you prune hydrangea? Time's up. It's late winter. How do you start a worm farm? The correct choice is use red worms. What is a determinate tomato? The answer is bushy growth. Why do plants need nitrogen? The answer is leaf growth. How do you trap earwigs? Did you guess it? The answer is damp paper. What is the role of oxen? Did you guess it? The answer is stem growth. How do you measure soil texture? Did you guess it? The answer is ribbon test. Why is phosphorus vital for DNA? Did you guess it? The answer is energy bond. When is air layering preferred? The answer is woody stems. What is a true leaf on a plant? Answer, post-seedling. How does photoperiodism work? Time's up, it's night length. Why use a biological control? And the answer is target pests. What is damping off disease? The correct choice is fungal rot. How do you identify rust fungus? Did you guess it? The answer is orange spores. When is apical dominance broken? Answer, pruning tips. Why are micronutrients needed? The answer is enzyme help. What is the result of tilling? Here is the answer. Soil aeration. How does capillary action work? And the answer is upward flow. Why is clay soil often alkaline? Here is the answer. Mineral salts. When should you use a scion? The answer is during graft. How do you test for nematodes? Answer, soil sample. What is the effect of gibberellin? The correct choice is fruit sizing. Why do legumes fix nitrogen? Here is the answer, rhizobia. How is potash derived for soil? Answer, wood ashes. What causes leaf chlorosis? Time's up, it's iron lack. And that's a wrap. Thanks for playing along. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a quiz. Catch you in the next video.